Hello, Disney Stranger here. Today I am at Disneyland, California, and I'm here with Maddie.
Hello. Hi.
My friend Maddie is going to give us how to get on Rise of the Resistant ride here at Disneyland, California's Galaxy's Edge. So Maddie, please tell us, how can we get on the ride?
So the first thing you have to do is be inside the park with your tickets all linked to one Disney account on at least one person's phone. And you have to be here before 8 a.m. if you want a shot at any boarding group that is guaranteed to get on. I believe 1 through 80 is guaranteed every single day, and then they'll add more people if they can. So really, the sweet spot is 1 through 80. So if you want to go into the Disneyland app, when you open it up, it's going to show you this, access by boarding group. You're going to hit find out more at 8 o'clock exactly. You're going to do this. Then you're going to scroll down to join boarding group. The faster you can do this, the better your boarding group is going to be. It doesn't matter if you get inside Disneyland at 7 a.m. or 7:59. As long as you're inside by 8 a.m., you have a chance. Make sure everyone's passes are linked to the Disneyland app because that is the key. And the other thing is, make sure that you turn your notifications on because they'll let you know when your boarding pass is going to be called. Once your boarding pass is called, you have about 2 hours to get to the ride, and after that, it's about a 30-minute wait before you actually get on the ride. It's definitely worth it. It's a stressful 30 seconds trying to get that boarding pass, but it's a really, really cool experience.
Thanks so much, Maddie. I really appreciate that. Thanks for the tips.
You're welcome.
And everyone have a great night, and don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.